Ever felt like your wallet bleeds every time you visit the mechanic? You're not alone. Most car owners spend way more than they need to, often on things they could have fixed themselves, or even avoided altogether. But what if I told you that buried beneath the noise of dealerships and overpriced repair shops there are secrets, insider-level tricks, that could save you over $1,000 every single year? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover the 10 most powerful car repair secrets that mechanics don't want you to know. And trust me, once you know these, you'll never look at car maintenance the same way again. Dealerships charge $60 to $120 per visit. But here's what most don't know. You can get high-quality synthetic oil and a filter for as low as $15 to $20 from your local warehouse store or online in bundles. Meet Jason, a college student with an aging Honda Civic. Instead of paying for pricey oil changes, he learned how to do it himself. 15 minutes, a $20 kit, and a YouTube tutorial. He saved over $480 annually. It's not just about saving cash, it's about empowerment. You can literally learn it today. Have you ever been told your air filter looks dirty, we'll replace it for just $40? That filter? It costs $8 and takes under 60 seconds to change. It's under your hood, pops right out. A mechanic once told Sarah, a young mom, she urgently needed a new filter. Instead, she went to her trunk, pulled out the spare she bought online for $9 and installed it on the spot. Her mechanic, speechless. Never pay 5 times the price for something you can literally snap into place yourself. Here's a sneaky one. Driving with underinflated tires can reduce your gas mileage by 10%. That's hundreds of dollars in lost fuel annually. The fix? A $25 digital tire inflator from Amazon in 5 minutes a month. Meet Carlos. He drives 40 miles a day and used to fill up every 4 days. After keeping his tires at the right pressure, he refuels once a week. Big savings, zero effort. Some shops replace brake pads at 50% wear. That's like throwing away half a sandwich because it's no longer full. Brakes usually last 40,000 to 70,000 miles. If you hear squeaking but no grinding, it may just be brake dust or weather. Get a second opinion, or better yet, buy a $15 inspection mirror and check them yourself. Like David, a rideshare driver. His shop quoted $350. Turns out he had 30,000 miles left on the pads. He kept driving and pocketed that cash. Ever had your check engine light turn on and felt panic? One mechanic might charge you $150 just to run diagnostics. Here's the truth. A $30 OBD2 scanner does the same thing. Plug it in, read the code, search online, it's all there. Case in point. Julia's engine light came on. The dealer quoted her $980 to investigate. Her $29 scanner revealed it was just a loose gas cap. One twist, problem gone, $980 saved. Foggy headlights? Shops charge up to $100 to restore them, but a $12 kit and 10 minutes of elbow grease is all it takes to bring them back to crystal clarity. Meet Ahmed, who drives a 2008 Corolla. His headlights were yellowing. He restored them himself and even flipped the technique into a side hustle, restoring headlights for neighbors at $40 each. Money saved, money made. Batteries go bad. Dealerships often quote $250 or more for replacements. Instead, head to your local parts store. Most offer free testing, installation, and batteries for $100 to $150. And get this, some will even install it in your driveway. Like Priya, who got quoted $280 by the dealer. Her local parts store tested hers for free, sold her a battery for $109 and installed it on the spot. One call, huge savings. Cabin filters are behind your glove box. Changing them takes 2 to 3 minutes. Shops charge $60 to $90. But online, you can find one for $10. Andrew drives a Subaru. He bought a pack of 3 filters for $27 and swaps one every 6 months. His car smells fresh and he hasn't paid a mechanic for this service in 5 years. Tiny scratches? The kind mechanics charge $300 to buff out. You can handle those with a $15 scratch remover kit and a microfiber cloth. Jenna's son scraped the side of their SUV with a bike. Dealership said $450. She watched one tutorial, spent 20 minutes rubbing it out herself. Scratch gone, wallet intact. Your car's manual is your secret weapon. Shops love to recommend urgent services you may not actually need yet. Transmission flushes, spark plug changes, even coolant swaps. By following the manufacturer's schedule, not the shop's sales pitch, you'll save hundreds, if not thousands, year after year. So here's the truth. You don't need to be a mechanic to be smart with your car. You just need the right knowledge, and the confidence to say no when someone tries to upcharge you for something simple. If this video helped you, do me one small favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone you know who drives. You could literally save them $1,000 this year, or more. And if you want part 2, where we uncover even more hidden car repair secrets, drop a comment below. Until then, drive smart, save money, and take control of your car like never before.